So that's really exciting research. It's all current, it's come out over the last year or so, but actually it builds upon an existing body of research around biofeedback and around slow, deep breathing, paced breathing, coherent breath work. So a few examples of some of the research that lends credibility to this or adds to this body. One piece of research shows that HRV biofeedback caused improvements in cognitive processes, types of processes that are crucial for everyday functioning, including things like memory, episodic memory, and they were maintained beyond the training period. So after people stopped doing the practice, those cognitive processes continue to benefit them. HRV biofeedback reduced depression and anxiety and improved attentional skills. This is in older people, and several participants also anecdotally reported that they felt they were sleeping better and that they were managing their stress more effectively as well. Deep, slow breathing, this is actually without biofeedback, so it's just the breathing. That enhanced the ability of elderly people to process new cognitive tasks and improve their cognitive functions. And so again, this highlights the potential for these some simple techniques, in this case just the breathing, as a means of preventing and perhaps managing dementia in older adults. Another piece of research showed a reduction in blood pressure. So we know that high blood pressure is a risk factor for dementia. Heart and the brain are inextricably linked. So this deep, slow breathing reduced blood pressure and increased peripheral oxygenation in elderly people with hypertension. Well, this is interesting and positive as well, because there are no side effects to this, and as I'm sure you're aware, there are side effects to some of those antihypertensives. Deep, slow breathing reduced anxiety and increased vagal outflow. What I mean by vagal outflow is parasympathetic activity, so the rest and digest, the part of us that we need to help rebuild us and to recover and keep ourselves healthy, which is measured by heart rate variability. So increased vagal outflow in older adults. And we know, therefore, then that reducing stress and anxiety and increasing the vagal outflow, increasing parasympathetic activity can reduce dementia risk and has the potential to slow progression as well. And then the last one to mention is a really interesting pilot project. So this was a personalized precision medicine approach for Alzheimer's. So this did not include pharmaceuticals, it was personalized medicine. And what they found was significant improvements in a whole load of different biochemical parameters which are associated with cognitive decline. And that project actually included the use of another one of our biofeedback products, the Inner Balance, for a minimum of 10 minutes a day. So there's a very sound body of research evidence that these simple techniques, the breathing with or without the biofeedback, has the potential to, reduce premature aging of the brain and the potential to protect against dementia and Alzheimer's.